Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video, we'll discuss how we can install and use Zoom on Windows 11. So with that being said, let's get started. Here in this video, I'll show you two methods to install Zoom. First one, using the Microsoft Store. Simply open Microsoft Store. Here on the search option, search for Zoom, and from the search result, select the application. Here you will get install button, simply click on it and wait for the download process to complete. Also there is another method. For that, you can simply download the installer file from the official website. For that, simply open any browser, search for Zoom and open the link from zoom.us download. Don't worry about the download link, I'll provide the download link in the description box. Here we have different download options like 64-bit operating system, 32-bit operating system, and if you're using ARM-based computers, then you can simply download this version. So I'm using the 64-bit version, I'll simply download this file. Once the download has been completed, simply open the installer file. Here we have the installer window. Let me minimize the browser and wait for the installation process to complete. Once the installation has been completed, you will get this kind of window. Here click on done. Now you have to sign in to your Zoom account. For that, click on sign in. Once the sign in process has been completed, you will find this kind of prompt. Here simply click on open. And it will open the Zoom application. Now you are ready to use Zoom on Windows 11. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.